Hey, let's say today we want to understand the basics of the user-defined function by writing a program. So what I did is I have opened an editor and I'm opening a new file that I already have. So what I will do is before I will start writing anything, let me save this program with some appropriate name because I'm trying to explain you the user defined function, and this is the first program that we are writing. So let me give a name like udf1.c, which says user defined function one program, right? So the objective of writing this program is to explain you what is the need of a user defined function, how one can write a definition of the function, and how one can use the function. So what we're gonna do is I'm writing a program basically which will find out the factorial of a given number. In order to write this program, rather than writing the code as a part of the program, we are defining a function, right? So basically, what is a function? Function has some input and it has some output. So there are three things that you need to understand about a function. One is you have to write the appropriate name of the function. So in our case, let's say we are finding the factorial of the given number. So my function name is going to be fact. It could be factorial also, but it has to have a meaningful name, right? Then what you gonna give an input? So for example, I am interested to find out a factorial of 4. My input is going to be 4. So what I will do is I need some argument, which is, let's say, what kind of argument? Integer. So I'm taking a number integer n, and let's say when I say factorial 4, what is going to be answer? Yes, it's going to be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Obviously that's going to be 24, and 24 is nothing but a फ्लोट है 24 नहीं 24 क्या है बेसिकली इंटीजर. तो इस फंक्शन का रिटर्न टाइप, तो देखिए आपको दोस्तों ध्यान रखना है फंक्शन के बारे में. आपको तीन चीज लिखनी है. एक तो उसका रिटर्न टाइप लिखना है, जैसे मैंने बता दिया int इंटीजर. फंक्शन का नाम लिखना है विच इज फैक्ट, and the parameter that you are passing inside the function. Now here you have to write the body of the function. In the body of the function we have to write what my function is going to do. So basically what I will do is, my logic of factorial function is, suppose I have passed n is equal to 4, then it does 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I have passed n is equal to 9, it does 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, like that, right? So this is the logic. What I will do is I will take some integer variable, let's say I, integer variable I, right? Or let's say I'm also taking one variable f just for a, let me write. And for example, what I'm doing is, let me start a for loop for I equal to 1, right? And I will continue up to what I want to do, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So I can do the logic in both the way. I will show you both the way, right? So first I'm doing like this. So let me write I less than or equal to n, right? And what you do is you do I plus plus, right? And then what you do basically is you are doing a multiplication of what? First you are multiplying 1, then you are multiplying 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what I'm saying is it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And each time, let's say 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 into 4, that is 24. So each time I have to store this intermediate answer, and I need to keep updating an answer. Yes or no? So what I have thought of doing is, let me take, because for my multiplication 1 is the neutral number. So what I did is f is equal to 1. I am writing here f is equal to, let me say f into I. Now please understand what is initially f. F is 1. So what it does, I is 1 initially. What it does, 1 into 1. So f become 1. Then I will be incremented by 1. So now I is 2. What it does, what is f? 1. 1 into 2. So it becomes 2. So now f is 2. Then I will be incremented by 3. So what it does, yes, f is 2, I is 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. Now f is updated to 6. Hello, f is updated to 6. Then I will be incremented by 1. So now I become 4. 4 is less than or equal to 4. Answer is correct. It comes here. So f was 6. and I is 4. So 6 into 4, 24. So my f is updated. Then I will be incremented to 1 and I become 5. So when you compare 5 less than or equal to 4, the answer is wrong. You will come out of the for loop. And finally, my factorial answer inside f. अब क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस फंक्शन को जिसने बुलाया था, the function from where I have called this fact function, I have to return the value. In order to return the value, there is a keyword in the C programming which is called return, and you have to write return what value you are returning. You are returning f. So I'm return f here, right? So now let me utilize this function. What I will do is I will write main like this. I will do opening brace. दोस्तों ध्यान रखो, मुझे जिसका भी फैक्टोरियल फाइंड करना है तो मैं यहाँ पे कोई भी एक वेरिएबल ले लेता हूँ, जैसे इंटीजर आंसर, जिसमें मुझे फैक्टोरियल का आंसर चाहिए, राइट? एंड आई एम कॉलिंग अ फंक्शन. लेट्स से व्हाट आई विल डू, बिकॉज मेरा रिटर्न टाइप क्या है, इंटीजर, तो मुझे यहाँ कैच करना है. कैच में किस में करूंगा, आंसर में. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आंसर इज इक्वल टू, मैं कोई भी फंक्शन को कॉल करूंगा. कौन से फंक्शन को, फैक्ट फंक्शन को कॉल करूंगा. एंड आई कैन पास एनी पैरामीटर हियर. लेट्स से आई एम पासिंग फर्स्ट 4 हियर. Right now this program can be written in an interactive way also. For example, rather than writing this 4 here in a static way, I can scan this value from the user. That is quite possible, right? तो अभी देखिए, मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा printf, right? Factorial of given number is %d, comma, किस में आंसर आएगा, yes, answer. So I'm writing answer here, right? So that's how. So it will print out. Now in order to clear the previous output, if I have any, I'm writing a very well known function, clr, scr. You already know that, right? So this is how I'm calling a function. See, now let me run this program. While running, and in order to see the output, let me press Alt F5. You can see the output, factorial of given number is 24. Now see, in order to do the modification, what I could have done probably is I have taken one more variable here, let's say number. I could have asked the user printf, right, any enter any number, right? Enter any number, for example, right? And once the user enter the number, what I will do is I have to scan that. So let me write scan f, then I will do double quotes %d, because I'm scanning an integer variable, comma, जो भी वैल्यू आएगी उसको कहाँ स्टोर करनी है, yes, नंबर के एड्रेस पे. So I have to write address of number, right? And rather than writing fact4, I should write here number. Now whatever the value I will enter, I will get the answer for that, right? So just to make my output more clear, I have put /n here. Let me run this program again. It will ask me for enter any number. Let's say I'm entering 5, right? And you see the output, factorial of given number is 120, like this. So similarly, if you run the program second time, let me run it. I am entering a value 6. When you press enter and see the output, it says that the factorial of number 6 is 720. Now please understand how we did it. यहाँ पे याद रखो, समझने जैसी बात क्या है, मैंने ये फैक्टोरियल फंक्शन लिखा जिसके 3 पैरामीटर याद रखने. एक तो फंक्शन का नाम, तो हमने क्या रखा दोस्तों, फैक्ट. दूसरा, फैक्टोरियल हमेशा क्या आएगा, इंटीजर, तो मैंने उसका रिटर्न टाइप रखा इंटीजर. और तीसरा, उसका पैरामीटर जो मैं पास कर रहा हूँ. पैरामीटर कहाँ से पास कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ से. तो जब भी ये फंक्शन कॉल हुआ तो क्या हुआ, ये जो नंबर था no, दैट हैज गेट कॉपीड इनटू n, और ये पूरा प्रोग्राम यहाँ रन हुआ, और लास्ट में क्या हुआ, रिटर्न f. तो f कहाँ रिटर्न आया, तो जहां से कॉल हुआ था, मैंने कॉल कहाँ से किया था, यहाँ से. तो इसकी जगह पे ये जो है, उसकी जगह पे वैल्यू कौन सी आ जाएगी, f, और f किस में चला जाएगा, ans में. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग, राइट? इवन मैंने बताया ना कि यहाँ पे आप लॉजिक 2 तरीके से लिख सकते हो. आप इस लॉजिक तो दूसरे तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस, i इक्वल टू n, जैसे मैंने 4 से शुरू किया. अच्छा, कब तक कंटिन्यू करना है, तो कि जब तक i ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1 है तब तक ही आगे जाना है. और रादर देन डूइंग i प्लस प्लस, व्हाट आई विल डू, i माइनस माइनस. दोस्तों देखिए क्या किया मैंने, n यानी 4 होगा. अगर मैंने 4 पास किया है यहाँ से, तो नंबर में 4 गया है, तो क्या होगा, पहले 4 इंटू 1, F4 हो जाएगा। उसके बाद I की वैल्यू कम होगी यानी क्या हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएगा। 4 इंटू 3 हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा, 12, F12 हो जाएगा। फिर ये 2 हो जाएगा तो 12 इंटू 2 क्या होगा, 24, ये 24 हो जाएगा। ये 1 हो जाएगा, I 1, 1 ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1, करेक्ट होगा। इसके अंदर आएगा 24 इंटू 1, ये 24 रहेगा। इसके बाद I 0 हो जाएगा, 0 ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1, रॉन्ग होगा। आप लूप से बाहर आओगे, रिटर्न F करेगा, ये 24 को वापस लेके जाएगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ द प्रोग्राम विल वर्क। Just to satisfy you, let's run this program again and enter the same value that we entered earlier. Let me enter 5, right? And let's see the output. It gives you 120, right? So I hope it is clear. Last remark that I want to put you, the benefit of writing such a user-defined function is that in my program like this main, for example, let's say if I'm using this fact 100 times, what I need to do, I have to write this only one statement. I have to call a function fact only, rather than writing this entire code 100 times. This is the biggest benefit of writing a user defined function. I hope I have made this idea very clear. If so, please pass this video to your friends and help them learning more. Keep watching the videos on the function. Every day I'm going to upload one video. Thank you for watching.